only AI is helping people to become more efficient, it's also revolutionizing the way we do business. In this video, I'll be sharing 6 AI tools to help you grow your business, boost your productivity, and make more money. Also, a quick shout out to Awesome for sponsoring this video, but more on that later. I'm sure by now you would have heard of ChatGPT already, but just in case you have not, now you have. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that you can talk to and ask it to do stuff. So, for example, you can ask it to write a bedtime story about a girl and a fairy going on an adventure, and it will write one for you. Or maybe you can ask it to explain why is the sky blue, but explain it like I'm 5, and it can answer you that. You can even ask it to create a 7-day itinerary for a trip to Japan, and it will have no problem doing so. Okay, now that you know how ChatGPT works, let's look at how it can help you grow your business. So let's say I want to start an online business selling fresh vegetables. I can start by asking ChatGPT to suggest 5 company names to me. Next, I can ask ChatGPT to validate my business idea, give me an actionable business plan, marketing strategy, and some hacks to grow the business. It thinks that is a good idea, gave me the business plan, some marketing strategy, and how I can grow the business. Okay, what I need to do next is to create descriptions for my products. And this is one of the most important parts of a business, because with good descriptions, potential customers will know exactly what the item is about, what to expect, and why they should buy the product. So let's say my product is a carrot. I can ask ChatGPT to write a product description about the carrot, including the weight, freshness, and why they should buy it. And again, ChatGPT gave me a product description that includes everything that I asked for, and a few reasons why people should buy it. But I felt that it is a little too long, so I can ask it to shorten the description to 50 words, list it out in bullet points, and include strong SEO keywords to improve searchability. And voila, ChatGPT is able to give me what I want. But let's not stop there. In order to grow the business, I will need to run some ads. So I asked GPT to write 5 short but interesting descriptions for the product, which I can then use in a Facebook ad. Then, to further improve organic search, I can ask ChatGPT to write a blog post about carrots. I also want to convert the blog post into an Instagram post, and again, ChatGPT can do all that. So these are just some of the examples of what you can do with ChatGPT. This is a game changer because in the past, we would either need to spend hours coming out with all this by ourselves or hire a copywriter, which would cost us a ton of money. But with ChatGPT, we can now write a lot faster and better. The next AI tool is called Merlin. Merlin is basically ChatGPT, but in the form of a browser extension. First, it can help me write emails. So let's say I want to write an email to a brand to propose a partnership. It can do that. Besides that, I can use it to generate a quick reply to emails, reply to Twitter posts, and LinkedIn posts. As a bonus, it can also summarize certain websites. So let's say I'm searching for a list of vegetable suppliers in Malaysia. Merlin will summarize the search result for me. Or maybe there's a 30-minute YouTube video and I don't want to go through the entire thing because nobody ain't got time for that. Merlin can also give me a quick summary of what the video is about. So that's Merlin. It's good if you want to access ChatGPT but don't want to open another tab to use it. Quick pause. Starting a business may be difficult, but here's where Awesome can help out. Awesome is a digital business assistant that provides online secretary and accounting service to help you take care of all your company's finance stuff, admin stuff, and remind you to file company reports. Awesome has a useful app where you can manage your payments and invoices all in one place so that you can spend more time on things that matter, like building your business. As a bonus, if you choose one of their packages, they will also help you to incorporate your business. So if you are looking to start your company today, you can check out the link in the description down below to get a free incorporation plus a 16% off your first year with Awesome. Both Merlin and ChatGPT are bad at one thing: drawing. For example, if I ask it to draw the Mona Lisa, it will give me this weird looking thing. So with that, let me introduce Looka. Looka is an AI tool that lets you design your brand identity from scratch, starting with your logo. So using my earlier idea of selling fresh vegetables, I can let Looka know my company name, industry, what kind of logo that I would like, and the color scheme. And tada! It's able to generate a bunch of logos for me to choose from. I can then further customize the logo depending on my preferences. After that, Looka will then give me all the image files that I need to work with, like PNG, SVG, EPS, and PDF files, and they come in different color variations. Also, based on my inputs just now, Looka can suggest different website templates for me to choose and customize. Not just that, they can also come out with social media kits for different platforms, like Facebook profile images, YouTube covers. They even have ready-made Instagram templates for me to use. There's also business card design and marketing materials if I ever need them. Traditionally, all this will cost quite a bit of money, as you will need to hire a graphic designer to do all this. But now, you can easily do all this by yourself with Looka. And the best part, it is very cheap to use. Without the website feature, it will just cost you $96 a year to use, and that is super affordable. Alright, let's move on to the next tool, Playground AI. Playground AI is a tool that lets you create beautiful looking AI arts from just text. For example, I can ask it to draw some random stuff, like maybe a cute puppy wearing a Pikachu hat while riding a bike in the streets of Singapore at night. Come on, it looks super good, right? Okay, let's see how Playground AI can help out with our business. So, in the past, whenever we wanted to sell something, we will need to individually take photos of every product, right? But the problem with that is if we do it ourselves, the photo may not turn out well. And if we wanted good photos, we will need to hire a professional photographer to take them for us. And that will cost a lot of money. But now, with Playground AI, I can create my own super good looking photos. Check this out, carrots with mountains in the background. How about some bell peppers in a bowl on a wooden table? Product images aside, we can also use Playground AI to create concept images for our company logos, websites, app design, and more. Playground AI can also edit photos for you. So let's say I have an image of Emilia Clarke from Game of Thrones. We can do stuff like changing the color of her dress to blue, adding a necklace to her neck, and changing the background to the streets of Singapore at night. Okay, maybe you are worried about copyright issues. For this, you don't have to worry, because the images that you generate from this are entirely owned by you and can be used for personal and commercial purpose. So, that's nice. Next, Scribe. Scribe is an AI tool that lets you generate tutorials and user guides. So, let's say my vegetable selling business is up and running, and I'm thinking of hiring new people to manage it. In that case, I want to create a guide on how to use the inventory management system, and Scribe can help me with that. All I need to do is just click record, demo how to use it, click stop, and it will generate a guide for me to share. I can also add additional steps, edit text, and change screenshots. Besides that, you can also use Scribe to write guides and SOPs. This will be super helpful for onboarding new employees, answering customer questions, and generating FAQs for your products. Next, Canva. Canva is a graphic design tool that you can use to design stuff such as social media images, posters, flyers, websites, and so on. But I won't be talking about those in this video. Instead, I will talk about the 3 AI tools that you can find in Canva. The first one is called Magic Design. What Magic Design does is that it easily lets you create presentations with just one line of text. So let's say I want to create a pitch deck for my vegetable business, and boom, that's our entire presentation done up for us. I can then choose the style that I want and start editing from there. This is seriously a game-changing tool, because in the past, whenever I start with a blank presentation, I would be like, But with this tool, I will get a good starting point to work with. And best of all, this tool is free to use for now. The second tool is called Magic Write. This tool is basically ChatGPT but built into Canva. So to use it, I can click on the plus sign, click Magic Write. So let's say I want to write about 10 fun facts of eating your vegetables, and it will generate all this for me. Again, this gives me a good starting point to work with. But now, I want to add an image to this document. That brings us to the third AI tool, called Text to Image. This tool is very similar to the Playground AI tool that we have seen just now, but built into Canva. To use that, I can go to Apps on the left side, search for Text to Image, click on it, and I can generate an image as usual. Let's try Happy Man sitting by the beach eating green vegetables. Add that to the document, and voila, we will get a fantastic blog post to drive up engagement. So those were the 6 AI tools that you can use to grow your company. But if you know any more useful AI tools, you can comment down below and let me know. Or if you have any questions, you can join my fast-growing Telegram group to ask any questions that you may have. Like, share, and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.